Hello, I'm Dan Passarelli of Market Taker Mentoring here on the floor of the CME Group. Well, one of the trades we talked about today in our Market Taker Live Advantage Group coaching class, where you get about 15 active trade ideas from the live market every single day, was in Lululemon, symbol LULU. Well, Lulu's been a doozy lately. It's been in a pretty solid downtrend for months now. It broke below its support level of 40. Now that was a strong support level. It tried to make a comeback and rise back above that, and it had a key reversal that indicates a continuation of the downward trend. So right now I'm looking for some continuation. I think the stock can fall to about 37, which is roughly the 6-month low, maybe even below there. Now I want to play this as conservatively as possible. It's kind of a pure directional trade just between where it is now and down at about 37. So I want to hedge off all implied volatility, high or low, doesn't matter. I want to make that implied volatility risk as low as possible. I want to hedge off as much time decay as possible too, so I'm not punished by time passing. So here's how I would play that. I would buy the July 25th 40, 37 and a half put spread for $1 or better. So here's how that works. If the stock falls down below 37 and a half, I reach my maximum profit on this trade. Now it could be a pretty leveraged profit. I could make, potentially, if I buy it for $1, it could be worth $2.50. I could make 150% potentially on this trade. That's if the stock continues its route and it falls below 37 and a half over the next 9 days. Now take note of that. July 25th expiration, it's a short-term trade. So I'm not looking for a big long downtrend or anything. I'm just looking for the continuation, the follow through that looks like it's already starting to take shape. So I like this trade. I think that it's a pretty low risk trade, risking $1 to make potentially $1.50. Today, the stock is down about 50 cents already, so the trade is on its way there. If the stock goes against me, I would try and get out of this trade to lose no more than 50 cents if the stock turns around and starts heading higher. But I have a reasonable degree of confidence that the stock will continue lower, and I'm going to be looking for much of the full Monty here. If I can sell this put spread for about maybe $2.35, which is most of what it can be worth, I'm going to close the trade a little early. Market Taker's rule is if I can ever take 75% of my max profit on a vertical spread, I do it. So I'd be looking at a target figure somewhere around there. This is Dan Passarelli here on the floor of the CME Group. Trade well.